SHIB Coin is a decentralized cryptocurrency created on the Ethereum blockchain by anonymous developer Ryoshi in 2020. Although SHIB initially emerged as a meme coin, over time it created its own ecosystem with strong community support, aiming to attract investors to the crypto world with its decentralized structure and low transaction fees. SHIB has become part of a DeFi platform that expands beyond being a means of payment. So how does the system work? The decentralized exchange called ShibaSwap offers SHIB users DeFi transactions such as staking, providing liquidity and yield farming. The ecosystem also includes components such as the net collection Shiboshis and the governance token Bone. How much is SHIB Coin supply? SHIB Coin was initially launched with a huge supply of 1 quadrillion, but half of the supply was sent to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin. Buterin burned 90% of these tokens, removing them from circulation, and donated the remaining 10% to the COVID-19 relief fund in India. Buterin's goal was to create a positive impact on the price by reducing supply. While the height of the supply causes the token to be traded at a low price, the total supply of SHIB at approximately 549 trillion is planned to be reduced by token burning mechanisms over time. What is SHIB Coin infrastructure? On which network? SHIB Coin is an ERC-20 token running on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's vast, decentralized ecosystem and advanced infrastructure enable secure transfer and storage of SHIB tokens while also facilitating its integration with DeFi projects. Ethereum's smart contract infrastructure allows SHIB to be used in a variety of decentralized finance DeFi applications, beyond being just an investment tool. Projects such as ShibaSwap, which offers various financial services to SHIB owners, are a result of this structure. Who is SHIB Coin owner, and which country did it come from? SHIB Coin was developed by an anonymous person or group, like Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto, who embraced privacy and used the Ryoshi pseudonym. There is no publicly available information about the identity, nationality, or history of its founders. Ryoshi disappeared in May 2021, leaving the project to the community. Currently, she is run by a decentralized community. The anonymity of the project emphasizes its decentralized nature. Ryoshi aims to grow SHIB as a community-oriented project. SHIB, which takes its name from the Shiba Inu dog breed in Japan and has managed to build a global community in a short time, continues to be actively developed by its supporters. What is SHIB Coin release date? SHIB Coin was released on August 1, 2020, and it quickly reached a wide audience during the popularity of meme coins. Inspired by the Dogecoin community, SHIB drew attention with its entertainment-oriented approach. What is SHIB Coin exit price? SHIB Coin was trading at a price almost zero when it was released in August 2020, and the initial market value was quite low. Its low price allows investors to receive large amounts of SHIB, while gaining value over time thanks to community support and investor interest. Although it did not receive much attention at the beginning, the popularization of Dogecoin in 2021 and the posts of names such as Elon Musk about cryptocurrencies contributed to SHIB's attention and increase in its value. How much did SHIB Coin see the highest? According to CoinMarketCap data, as of January 2025, SHIB Coin reached the level of $0.0845 in October 2021, reaching an all-time high. This rise was shaped by the effect of the bull season in 2021, the increasing interest of social media, and the posts of names such as Elon Musk about cryptocurrencies increased the demand for SHIB. SHIB, which had almost zero value when it was launched, quickly became popular and attracted the attention of investors. However, with the end of the bull season, the market fluctuations also affected the value of SHIB. Still, SHIB is still considered one of the most popular meme coins. How is the future of SHIB Coin? The future of SHIB Coin depends on the support of its community and the development of its ecosystem. The Shiba Inu team is working on various projects to expand the usage areas of the token. Among these, the decentralized exchange called ShibaSwap, half projects and metaverse-oriented studies stand out. Offering low transaction fees and higher transaction speed, the Shibarium Layer 2 solution is seen as a significant improvement for the SHIB ecosystem. One of the biggest advantages of SHIB is that it has a large and active community known as ShibArmy. This community contributes to the growth of the ecosystem by promoting the project. In summary, the future of SHIB largely depends on the general situation of the cryptocurrency market and investor interest. Therefore, it seems that SHIB's continued strengthening of its ecosystem for its long-term success will play a critical role. Although the overall picture presents significant opportunities for SHIB's long-term success, it is important for investors to take into account the high volatility of the cryptocurrency market and risk factors such as competition with other meme coins.